Alright, we have a northbound. I think it's NS 227. $76.40. $40.60. Nope, late 12R. Oh yeah! Now that's a nice catch. 12R in the daylight and a giant transformer thing in there. $36.58. DPU's up front, like it's really close up. That's old Southern Hopper on Southern Rails. I had no idea that transformer thing was coming. It's a nice little surprise. I've seen a couple of those before. Oh, look at this cool thing. This is a cool train. Herzog? This is really interesting. Yeah, Herzog equipment. That's a little thumbnail. Well, that is a really interesting 12R. 29 degrees. I am glad I came up to come see this. I was just waking up for the day. There we go, NS12R with a Herzog train in tow and a transformer thing up front. There's also a CWR train sitting at the siding of Shamrock and some gondolas.